Hey guys, I'll be teaching you how to make your own carrot oil at home. This is very easy. Prior to this, I had already scraped my carrot. I like doing this, and this is the scraper I use. I'm just going to scrape it for the ones that I just want, or I can see some bits of dirt. But every other thing has been scraped thoroughly, and I just soak them in water. I will start with grating the carrot because this is the easiest way to make your carrot oil. We all know that carrots are very hard, so you need to grate it to make it soft to extract the juice of the carrot oil basically. So I'm just going to grate this for as long as I can grate it really. I'm going to grate everything in the bowl. Goodness, this is like a good bit of exercise for my arms right now. By this time, my arms were seriously aching. It was not easy. Okay, but we are done. Everything has been grated, done. And I use this tiny bit. Don't use the big part. No. Just use the tiny part of your grater. I would advise you to grate, not blend. That way you can extract everything that you really need. And see this beauty, guys. Our carrot oil is coming out. It's going to pop. Like when I saw this, I screamed. So I'm going to be using this cold pressed coconut oil. Sorry you can't see the details, but it's cold pressed coconut oil. I like using coconut oil or olive oil for any of my oil extractions. So I'm going to be using coconut oil in this case. And sincerely, just watch what I'm going to do next. I don't know why I transferred it into this cup. Like, I didn't need to, but I transferred it. But check out the pureness of this oil. Just use something that is very pure and good, and you will love it. So I'm just going to transfer a bit of my desiccated carrot or my grated carrots into this bowl first of all, and I'm going to pour my coconut oil all over it to cover it thoroughly. That's the whole bottle of the coconut oil, and I'm using every single bit. I actually wanted to retain some, but I just saw that nah, it won't work. I need to use everything because that's like a lot of carrots really, and you need a lot of oil to cover it thoroughly to extract the oil you need. So I used everything, every single thing went in. So I'm just using my spoon to infuse it properly. Just marry them together, the oil, the carrots. Let it soak through, guys. You really need to make it soak through. And the next thing, I'd already been boiling a bit of water already on my cooker. So I'm placing this into it for it to boil on low heat. Please, not very high, very low heat. You don't want accidents here. I don't want my plastic to melt or anything. And I just covered it gently. I don't want to use the cover of the pot, like you can see, because of the water. I don't want the steam to get inside. I want just oil and not water. And I left this for about 10 minutes to steam and infuse properly. And I took this off the heat, guys. Yeah, coming off the heat right now. I'm that person, I'm that girl, I'm that girl that uses her bare hands as much as I can. So I just left it to cool for a bit. I prefer it cooling. I won't want to transfer it while it's still very hot, so that it won't scald, or let's just still leave it to infuse really. So for the second part, I'm going to be using this pure Western canola oil. This is the one that is quite edible, so I like using like cooking oil for this. And I'm just going to pour a generous amount of my canola oil into the fryer, or sorry, into the non-stick pan. And I'm transferring the bits of carrot I left earlier on. If you notice, I took some and I didn't use everything. So I'm just immersing this properly in my non-stick frying pan, I would advise you use a non-stick frying pan so that it doesn't stick. Like, you can leave this and you're sure that it's not going to stick to your pan. You can use a pot, you can use a non-stick pot, or you can use a non-stick frying pan. It really works, and I'm sure nothing will stick. So I left this for another like 5 to 10 minutes and see what we have here. Like, you can see that this has properly fried. You're sure that all your carrot juice and all the carrot juiciness has like soaked into that oil, guys. Like, I like this for those that want to use carrot oil for eating. Like, if you want to use it for your food, for frying, anything edible. You can use the other one too, really, it's coconut oil. So I'm transferring this right now, and just to know and to make the difference so that I don't mistake it, or any other person in the house does not mistake it, and just removing the label for this coconut oil so that I can label it properly as carrot oil later on, so that there are no mistakes. I do a lot of oils. You're going to be seeing it on this channel, so please stick around. And if you've not subscribed yet, kindly subscribe, because I'm going to be showing you many more. So with the label out of the way, I'm just trying to sieve this. Sorry, I'm supposed to be showing you the carrot oil. Look at me showing you my hands. Sorry about that. But you can see what is going on. Basically, just sieve it into a jar of your choice, or a container, a bottle, anything. And I'm just sieving my carrot oil into this bottle. So this is the part one, the one that will boil on the cooker, the hot water, or the one we steamed, really. So I'm just transferring all this into the jar again, and I'm just sieving everything so that I get all my carrot oil goodness and nothing is left behind as much as possible. So let's just wait while I sieve this, and it's almost done. Like, you know, I use the whole bottle of the coconut oil, and I almost have a whole bottle now. Yeah, see that? I have like almost the whole bottle. So it's almost the same thing. Coconut equals to carrot oil. Like, just tit for tat. Like, just exchange, really. It was white, now it's a bit of yellow. And that's it. Like, isn't this gorgeous? Look at this. Look at the beauty. It's even making me stutter. Look at the beauty, guys. Like, oh my god, if you were here you could have smelt it. And now for the part B, for the carrot oil that we fried. Sorry, I had to complete this off camera. I was making too much of a mess. And that's it. Yeah, see the second one, isn't this gorgeous as well? So like I said, it is the one you can use for cooking. It's edible, and these are the two carrot oils, the steamed one and the fried one. It depends on you. Which one do you prefer? Which one do you like? Which one would you do? Which one would you want to try at home? Carrot oil is very good. Like, it has a lot of benefits. It's antifungal in nature. It's antibacterial. For those that want to tone their skin, if you want to make your skin glow, carrot oil is one of the things you should use. And I love it because it's both excellent for like your skin, your hair. I use this to deep condition my hair. If you know me on this channel, my hair is natural, so I use a lot of things. This is excellent for deep conditioning your hair, like soak it through, massage it with your scalp. You can mix this with your lotion. A lot of people ask me what I mix with my lotion, and carrot oil is one of the things I mix with my lotion. I mix a number of things at different times, but I love using oils a lot. Carrot oil is one of them. It's going to make your skin glow. It's going to prevent wrinkles. As in, check out that beauty. It's just so, as in, the smell is amazing. You will love it, and it has a very pleasant smell. But in word of caution, please, a pregnant woman is advised not to do this. Those that are asthmatic or epileptic, I hear that carrot oil is no good. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, please give this a thumbs up and kindly subscribe to my channel for more videos. I hope to see you next time. Stay beautiful, stay fashionable, stay blessed. Until next time, bye guys.